Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited because on today's video, we are going to be discussing affiliate marketing. And on this video, I'm going to give you an update on how much money I have made after signing up with Clickbank University. So if you want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and get started. So for those of you guys that have not watched my previous video, about 4 months ago, I did a video and I was talking about Clickbank University. And this is a course that I took to learn about affiliate marketing. Prior to Clickbank University, I was making $200 to about $300 a month promoting Clickbank products. After I took the university course, I went from $200 to $300 to averaging $1,300 to $1,600 a month. And this is me with a full-time schedule, with 6 Etsy stores, with an Amazon store, and everything else that I have on my plate, YouTube channel, etc. So that's pretty good money for me. It's an additional income stream for me as well. And I wanted to share with you guys my in and outs and kind of share with you guys what was my take on the course. The course is remarkable. It gives you so much information, so many tips and tricks on how to run successful campaigns. That way you could start converting and selling and making money through affiliate marketing and through the products that they offer on Clickbank. I think the main issue for me has been finding time to apply everything that I learned. I learned so many things. I grabbed a notebook. I wrote more than 27 pages of notes because I was being very specific with what I was learning. However, the biggest challenge has been applying what I learned. I applied majority of it and I have seen an increase in my revenue. However, I have not applied myself 100%. There's people on Clickbank University that have taken the course and they make $1,000 a day or more. I'm averaging anywhere from $1,300 to $1,600 a month when these other individuals are making way more money than that. Either way, whether you're making an additional $1,000 a month or you're making $1,000 a day, money is money, and extra income, sometimes just an extra $300 makes a big difference in anyone's life, right? So originally, the first 2 weeks that I started the course, I made $479. That month, I ended up at $1,100. So that was pretty good for me because it was a jump from $200 to $1,100. So that was a big jump for me. Every month after that, I have averaged anywhere from $1,300 to $1,600. January, last month, I made $1,597. And this month, I'm about to make $1,000. I'm at, let me see. If I calculate this, I'm at $908.37. So I would say for the month of February, I might end up in the lower end, like $1,300. It's been a little bit slower. I think for January, I was promoting a lot of weight loss products. And I think that's why I made more money because it was like the New Year's resolution. Everybody wants to lose weight. So that's the reason why probably I made a little bit more. But the fact that I could average an additional $1,300 on top of my multiple income streams, that's pretty good. That's extra money that I could use for bills, that I could use or put back into my business for advertising or for anything else that I need. So I do recommend for anyone out there that wants to learn all about affiliate marketing, how to get started, how to promote other people's products and make a lot of money, I highly, highly recommend Clickbank University because they teach you the ethical way to do it. This is owned by Clickbank themselves, which is really, really nice. And on top of that, the price is very affordable. When you join affiliate programs out there or affiliate courses, the cost is very expensive because you could actually make so much money that they charge a lot of money for courses. This one is relatively very, very cheap. So I highly recommend taking it and trying it out. They do have your money get back guarantee. So if you try it and you're not satisfied, you can always request a refund. So if you're interested in taking the course, I will leave my link. It is an affiliate link. I will leave it in the text box below as well as the comment section. But I do highly recommend, especially if you are in the space of your life that you want to learn affiliate marketing, whether you want to do it part-time or full-time. That's up to you. Obviously, full-time, you will put more energy behind it and you will make more money than I did. So just keep that in mind. But I will leave the link below. Let me know if you guys have any additional questions. And thank you so much for watching.